Are you a realtor looking to make your open houses irresistible? Let's face it, first impressions matter. A clean, inviting home can be the difference between a lingering buyer and a closed deal. That's where TidyTex home cleaning comes in. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming homes into show-ready masterpieces. Our professional team understands the urgency of quick turnarounds, ensuring your listings shine before every open house or buyer visit. Imagine walking into a meticulously cleaned home, every corner sparkling, the air fresh, and the atmosphere warm. That's what we deliver. Here's a quick tidy tip. Open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. It brightens the space, highlighting its best features and making it feel welcoming. Remember, it's all about creating that perfect ambiance to connect with potential buyers. With TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service, you're investing in a partnership that helps you elevate your real estate game. Choose TidyTex for reliable, professional cleaning services that help you close deals faster and impress your clients. Check the video description for more details and contact us today.